Open up your R300 rowing machine and ensure that you have enough room around you. Remove all of the packaging and protective strapping around the rower frame. Ensure that all of the parts mentioned in the manual are present. Now we're ready to start assembling your R300. Start by attaching the rear stabilizer to the slideway using the bolts and washers provided. Remove the screws from the slideway and attach the saddle. Secure the saddle using the screws you just removed. Between the slideway and the main frame and secure using the inner bolts and flat washer on each side. Then attach the 4 inner bolts and washers to the bottom of the slideway. Secure the device holder to the bracket on top of the base, using the screws and washers. Lastly, insert the plug into the end of the base and plug the rower into a power outlet. Once plugged in, secure your feet onto the pedals using the strap and enjoy.